No, we're going to Paris. I can feel it. Come on, Transylvania.
No, man, let's go home to Jamaica. I been in Babylon too long.
Welcome to Rate JA, where we count down everything that embodies Jamaica. Today, we'll be counting down the top 10 Jamaican cartoon characters in foreign media. We'll be considering cartoon characters who are explicitly Jamaicans by ethnicity in the cartoon world and characters who just have a Jamaican accent, whether good or bad. So sit back, relax as we reveal our top 10 picks. Please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to our channel as we need your support to grow. Thank you. Number 10. Mousy in Spider-Man. In this Spider-Man series, Mousy is a female Jamaican cab driver in New York City. She appears in one episode in which she helps a little girl named Maria save Spider-Man after he is brainwashed into working for Dr. Octopus. Mousy got kidnapped by Dr. Octopus, who then ordered Spider-Man to kill her, but she made him remember who he was. She's indeed a brave Jamaican woman.
You can't do this! That little girl believes in you!
I don't know what to believe.
Believe in yourself.
How?
Find a part of you deep inside that feels true. If you can remember anything, try to remember Tahina's love for you.
Number 9. Arctiguana in Ben 10 Omniverse. Arctiguana is one of the many aliens that Ben can transform into with his watch called the Omnitrix. This alien resembles an iguana and speaks with a Jamaican accent. Of course, this accent is not authentic, but this alien can do some pretty cool stuff. Arctiguana is capable of breathing ice and firing a long-range freeze ray that isolates targets in ice.
Ben?
No worries, Gwen. I finally got an alien I know how to use. Done and done.
Number 8. Broseph in Stoked. Stoked is a cartoon about a group of young surfers who come together on Sunset Island in British Columbia, stoked to have the summer of their lives while working at Surfers Paradise Resort. Broseph is a Jamaican surfer who speaks with a quote-unquote Caribbean accent. He's one of the locals who wanted to change his scenery, hence him getting a job at the resort. He's not the most productive worker, but he sure is a great surfer.
Broseph, are you okay?
Not even close. Call me a surf bum, a slacker, a guy who fails at basic hygiene. All true, yo. But a Benny? Dude has gone way too far. We settle this on the waves at Grumfest.
Number 7. Patty in Apple and Onion. Set in a world populated by personified food, Apple and Onion is about a pair of childlike newcomers, namely Apple and Onion, attempting to fit into their new surroundings. Patty is a female Jamaican Patty, as you would figure, who is a manager of the dollar store. She loves Apple and Onion as she would always want them to make her happy, and she punishes anyone who lies to her.
Your chicken is out of control. Give me that. 109 degrees? Oh no! He's got quite a fever, and the thermometer doesn't lie, which means you two are lying. You are breaking Patty's law, and now I will punish you.
Number 6. Conroy Blanc in Rocket Power. Many of us may know this cartoon from TVJ. Rocket Power follows 4 friends and their daily lives of playing extreme sports, surfing, and getting into some crazy situations. Conroy Blanc is a Jamaican adult who is a resident caretaker of Madtown Skate Park, as well as a teacher of the local school. He's good friends with a gang of 4 and he's not afraid to punish them when they act out of line. Conroy also goes by Mr. B.
Conroy is our new teacher?
It's Mr. B, Twister. While you little skate rats were leaving your handprints at Madtown, I was finishing grad school for my teaching degree.
No way!
Way!
Number 5. Kangor in Static Shock. Static Shock is about a teenage boy, Virgil, with electricity-based powers who fights crime as a superhero. Kangor is a Jamaican with some Rasta traits who is a villain. He has really big feet that gives him the ability to jump very high, like a kangaroo, and to crush things with tremendous pressure. Kangor is also a calm and cautious individual, but doesn't prove to be much of a powerful antagonist.
What's your beef, Kangor? The guy's smarter than Ebon and Hyde put together. I'm almost glad Ebon's in jail.
Still don't trust him. Look what he did to Ferret Man.
Yo, Bigfoot, you almost hit me.
Maybe next time you'll move.
Maybe next time I'll broil me some kangaroo meat.
Number 4. Grim, in the Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. Grim, the main protagonist of this animated TV series, is an undead skeleton who speaks with a Jamaican accent. After having lost to Billy and Mandy after Mandy cheated in a limbo contest over the soul of Mr. Snuggles, Grim is now forced to be their best friend forever. Apparently, the creator's original idea was for Grim to sound British, but it didn't feel right until Greg Eagles auditioned with a Jamaican-sounding accent, which worked.
Who is this heiress?
She be Eris, goddess of discord and chaos. She's hot.
Well, don't look now, Casanova. Here she comes.
How do me look? Is me hair okay? Does me breath smell? What do me do? What should me say? I think me gonna faint.
Grim.
Number 3. Hermes Conrad, in Futurama. Futurama follows a 25-year-old pizza delivery guy named Fry who manages to get himself cryogenically frozen to 1,000 years later. In the series, Hermes Conrad is a grade 34 Jamaican bureaucrat and the accountant at Planet Express. He's afraid to make mistakes, as this may demote him to a lower grade, and so he's a stickler for regulation and loves tedious paperwork and bureaucracy.
Wow, you look happy. Is someone fired?
Better. The central bureaucracy is conducting an inspection tomorrow. I will finally be promoted to grade 35, the 35th highest grade there is.
Number 2. Rafiki, in The Lion King. Rafiki is a supporting character in Disney's 1994 animated feature film, The Lion King. He is a mandrill who serves as a shaman and royal Mjuzi of the Pride Lands. According to Robert Guillaume, the voice actor, he didn't know what voice to give Rafiki at first. He finally came up with a character with an attempt at the Jamaican accent. Though not a good Jamaican accent, the more he practiced, it seemed to fit the bill.
Well, I know who you are.
Shh, come here. It's a secret.
Enough already. What is that supposed to mean anyway? It means you're a baboon. And I'm not.
I think you're a little confused.
Wrong. I'm not the one who's confused. You don't even know who you are.
Oh, and I suppose you know.
Sure do. You're Mufasa's boy. Bye.
Before we unveil our number 1 pick, here's an honorable mention.
He's a worse dad than a rich New York City investment banker.
Hi, Daddy. At school today, they picked one kid to...
Millie, it's in here again.
Me sorry, Mr. Sir. Get out the room, them dare you bother your father. Him unhappy him had you in the first place. Now come on, I'll let you rub some lotion on me elbows.
And our number 1 pick is Sebastian in The Little Mermaid. Sebastian is a major character in Disney's 1989 animated feature film, The Little Mermaid. He is a red Jamaican accented crab who serves as King Triton's advisor and distinguished court composer and singer-songwriter. Despite his esteemed position, Sebastian is regularly tasked with watching over Triton's youngest daughter, Princess Ariel.
There's still time. If we could get that witch to give you back your voice, you could go home with all the normal fish and just be miserable for the rest of your life.
And we've come to an end. Do you agree with our list?
Oh no!
Are there cartoon characters that weren't mentioned? Who is your favorite cartoon character from our list? Let us know in the comments below, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.